And now that you got that down, let's go back to your actual YouTube channel, and you can do this by clicking these three bars on the top left and then clicking my channel. And then once you're here, hit that customize channel button again. And then once you're here, go to the about section of your YouTube channel. Now, I recommend adding a good channel description because this helps with SEO and everything within YouTube. So you can just quickly type what your channel's about. Just put a couple of keywords in there to help you rank and then just click done. And if you want, you can add an email for email inquiries, like a business email so people can email you. But for the types of channels we're going to be making to create money, you don't have to do that. I do recommend adding one though, because then if people have any like copyright inquiries or anything, they can contact you. And then down here at the bottom, this little link button right here, as you can see, you can click this and add links, whatever links you want. So let's say you have a website or something to promote, you can put them in right there, and then they'll appear right up here on the bottom right hand side of your YouTube channel art. So guys, those are some of my top ways of optimizing every single new YouTube channel that I create.